Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is day 3 of Advent, and Phoebe already knows what's going on. She has not even seen her bag yet, but she is anticipating her baggie. So thank you all for stopping by for a quick visit today, and I guess we'll go ahead and get started with the bags because Phoebe is about to have a fit here. So here's Phoebe's bag. Are you ready for your treat? Let's see what we can find in here, Phoebe. Oh, Phoebe, I feel something. Oh, look at here. Phoebe, you got a big treat today. Let's see what you got. Oh, look, Phoebe. You got a little toy. Let's see. Let me pull the tag off. Oh. Look at there, Phoebe. You got a toy. Do you like it? Do you like it? He said, where's the treat? You got a little toy to play with today. Do you like this toy? Look at it. There is a treat in the bag too, Phoebe. Let's see. Here, it's over here, Phoebe. It's over here. You want to go get it? Get your treat. All right. Put her bag out of the way. All right, so I need to find my day 3 bag. Let's see. Here it is. My number 3 bag. Let's see what's in my bag today. Oh goodness. Okay, here is some purple and white yarn. It's kind of multicolored there. Purple and some white. It's not a stretchy yarn either. It is, bulky, feels like a bulky yarn. So we'll see. And you can see up here on the doorway, on the door over there on the other side of the tree, the 2 little stockings. And so I'll make a stocking with this today and add it to the door. And I am putting pictures of those on Instagram. And I think my Instagram is llama.mama.Kayla if you want to follow me on Instagram. Baby, here's yours over here, baby. Here's yours. Yeah, that's yours. And let's see what else is in my bag here. Some Vaseline lip therapy. I needed that. I needed that. My lips get so chapped. So that's a great little surprise for my bag today. Let's see. Phoebe is just crazy looking for her stuff. Those are mine, Phoebe. You would think she hadn't already ate a bowl of food this morning. So I don't know if you've been following along, but we have been putting up some videos of decorating my tree, and we have a tree skirt, and there is a loom knit tree skirt video up, and I made some garland, so there's a loom knit garland video up, and tomorrow there will be a new video up for icicles. So stay tuned for that to learn how to do loom knit icicles for your Christmas tree. And I have a lot of more videos that I have recorded. I'll just be releasing one a day. So that's exciting. And I'm also working on a nativity set. And hopefully we'll get all those edited and up pretty soon. It just, takes time filming and editing. I wish it was just like that. I can't snap my fingers. I wish it was just like that, but it's not. Unfortunately, it's a lot of work to get it done, but they're coming. So stay tuned for that, and I'm really excited about how they're turning out. I did want to share with y'all that I got a couple Christmas cards in the mail. and I was really excited about that. Of course, I got one from Ella and her sweet family. I love that. I cherish that card. And then I got a sweet card from Bridget at Bridget Crochet and Knits. And it's a Santa Claus on it. Isn't that cute? And she also sent a stitch marker. Let's see if I can show this. Let's see if you can see that. It's really pretty. I like it a lot, so I can't wait to clip that on a project. It's really pretty. And I mentioned that she's from Crochet. Bridget is from Queen's Crochet and Knits. I didn't say for Ella, but I assume everyone knows. But if you don't, Ella is from No Catchy Name. Sorry about that. But I appreciate those Christmas cards. And I have a cabinet over here to my right that has like doors that open up, you know, double doors that I have some crafty stuff in. And so I don't know if I'm going to put my cards up on that door, or I might see if there's a way I can put them around the stocking door, the door with the stockings on it. I might see if I can add my cards around on that. I think that would be really cute. So I'm going to work on that this evening, try to get that done. And we, as a family, I'm trying to get my family together. And Mondays might be my best bet for a day because my husband's off, and Dakota usually takes that as a day off also. But I'm trying to get all four of us together to get pictures made. But it's hard coordinating with people who aren't into taking pictures. You know, men. But anyway, I wanted to share with you today that I read Luke 3, chapter 3 this morning from the Bible. And there was a great message in there to remind us that, you know, about giving to others. And, you know, this is the season, although we should all year long, this is the season that most people do focus on giving. And, and it was a great reminder in there, you know, that we are supposed to give to others. And not just at Christmas time, all year long. A funny that I wanted to share with y'all is that Dakota has a Christmas scene, like a Christmas village town set up in the living room. And I'll see if I can't get a little clip of that and add it to a video. But not this video, but a future video. But anyway, it has like different levels. He and Elijah built the stand, and Dakota put, I guess it's white. It looks like polyfill to me, stuffing, but it's supposed to be like snow, and the Christmas villages are sitting on it and all. Well, the bottom shelf is all the way to the floor. It's probably just about, you know, that much off the floor. But y'all all know how much Phoebe loves polyfill, right? Well, Phoebe is in hog heaven with that that fake snow polyfill stuff on there. She knows she's not supposed to get it, but she'll run by and grab her a mouthful of it and take off running. It is so funny. But I always have to chase her down and get it from her because I don't want her to actually eat the stuff. But she is so funny with that stuff, how much she loves that polyfill and stuffing like that. I don't know what it is about it she likes. But I want to thank you for stopping by for a little short visit today. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I look forward to visiting with you in the comments. And I will see you all very soon. It looks like Phoebe's going to finally play with her bear that she knows she's not getting another treat. She loves toys. She loves her toys. And she lays in her bed and just rolls around on her back and holds her toy and chews on it. It's the cutest thing. But anyway, I will see you all again tomorrow for day 4. Thanks for stopping by.